Okay, so the purpose of this task is to look at number lines because that was a big discussion when we were talking about variable in class, and to see that this point on the number line corresponds to this number, which is the coordinate. So for example, right now it's at -2, -3, -4, and anything in between could easily be represented visually on the geometry program. Okay, so the task now, the other part of this, is to look at the absolute value of this coordinate, -3, and be able to tell if it's less than 2. Algebraically, what we would be writing is that and usually what students would do typically would be to set up the inequality like this and to make the two separate inequalities and to add 3 to both sides, like we have in the pencil and paper solution. So what this is doing is as you move this point, you can look and you can see what the absolute value of a minus 3 is, and right now it is not less than 2. If I move over a little bit, now it is less than 2, and notice it turned black. So it's going to stay black for all of the points that are on the number line where this inequality is true. So as I'm moving, and you can see it's down around 1, it's getting up closer, up by 2, and now up here it's above 2, so we're back to white again. So this is a very easy visual reference to what the variable is actually doing on the number line, why we're plotting those points. Also notice, since this is a less than, the way this particular coloring works is that it's a little bit grayed out here. So you could think of that as that open circle. So that would definitely be something you'd want to discuss with students, is that open circle on both sides, since you have a less than and not less than or equal to. But overall, this would be a convenient way to represent what variable means when you're discussing that on number lines.